kids. You love to come say hi, don't you? Well, good morning and welcome back to Balfour Farm. Here's Allie, still waiting on a calf from her, so just making my morning rounds and checking on everybody before I get milking. As you can see, it's raining again and muddy, so nothing new here. But anyway, let's get in and check on the pigs real quick. All right, pigs all look good, and so I've got a couple projects I need to get done today. One of them is need to set up the heifer barn, some pens in the heifer barn again. I've taken them apart once when I was moving pigs, so I need to catch up Carrie's calf and then Rose's calf. Carrie's calf is definitely ready to wean, so need to set up a couple pens for them to get put into. And if Allie here ever has a calf, we'll need a spot to put that also. Then I need to get off to the feed store, pick up some lime, and then pick up a couple bales of straw for bedding, the big bales. So but first thing first, we need to get milking done. Well, actually, first thing first, I need to feed the cats. Got done milking the cows, and now I need to can't believe this, but it's the middle of April now, and the cows need to be in the barn again. They've been out for a while now, but yeah, so I need to clean the barn and bed the barn down, because I'm gonna need to leave the cows in. Before I do that though, need to get these guys out of the way. So come on, bud. Come on, Allie. Come on. So what I do is I lock them in the back part of the barn here and feed them a little bit of grain. That way it gets them out of the way, so I can scrape down, bed down the barn. Hey, no, come on, no, come on, get out of here. Come on. Come on, bud. There you go. Good boy. Well, normally by this time of year, the cows would be outside and staying out, not coming back in, but it has not stopped raining. Between the rain and the snow, more rain, and now just rain. Calves are out here. I gotta catch them up today too. But anyway, it's the cows are gonna be in the barn for at least another couple days, and hopefully at some point it dries out. I'm not entirely sure though. What are you doing, girl? Huh? What are you doing? Waiting for your mom to come out, aren't you? All right. So I gotta scrape down the barn, like I said, and gonna use a John Deere today instead of the skid steer. The skid steer is down at the end of the driveway in the sawdust shed, and it's a long walk, and it's in the rain. I don't want to do it, so use the skid steer real quick. We'll clean up. Then I need to rototill the pack, and then go down and get a load of sawdust for bedding. go. Got the barn all scraped out. Got a pile of muck there, which I'll push out onto the pad once, onto the storage pad once I get the cows in here. Bring the cows in first, and then I bring those guys in, the bull and the heifer. But first I need the rototill, which I'm gonna do right now, and we'll get the pack, we'll get bedding put down. Go. Pack is all rototilled, so it is nice and fluffy there, so and it's dry. But I'm gonna add one more spreader full of sawdust on top here, just to make sure the top is really dry. Got the load of sawdust. They are finished off. It's kind of a small load, but we're running out of sawdust, so we're gonna try and stretch it out for the rest of the winter, or the rest of the time that the cows need to be in the barn. Winter's over, so anyway, I'm hoping that one or two more times of bedding the barn, and that will be it. Really don't want to spend I don't know, $1,300 or $1,400 for a load of sawdust for it to sit there all summer long, so and only use a few bucket loads out of it. But anyway, we're gonna get up to the barn, get this spread. All right, well, all the cows are in now into the barn. I've just got to let the bull and Allie, the heifer here, back in. Oh, there's quite the pile of muck here. Anyway, get them back in with the cows, and then I need to open up the back garage door here on the barn. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, Allie, let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Good girl. Good girl, let's go. Come on. Okay, so it is rainy and mucky out today, but it is actually warm. So, try and open this one-handed. We're gonna open the garage, the back barn door, to let as much air in as we can. Cows need to stay dry and out of the mud, but they don't have to stay warm. Today is plenty warm, so the last thing we want is it warm and stuffy in here, and they'll get sick. So keep the doors wide open, and hopefully there's a breeze. Okay, well, I'm just headed off to unhook the manure spreader, and I need to get a bale of hay for these guys. They have plenty of feed, but they can use one more bale, won't hurt. And I also have to load a couple bales. A friend of ours that's a farmer, he's run short on feed, so I've been getting him a little bit of hay here and there. So he's coming for a few bales today. So we'll go get that done real quick, and that might be time for lunch. All right, well, I thought I would sneak in lunch before getting hay loaded, but just got a call that they're here to get loaded, so lunch can wait, I guess. Get down and gotta unload the spreader, or unhook the spreader first, so. All right, well, we're back out here. Just had lunch. It's about 3 o'clock now, and need to go get the wagon, hook it up to the truck to go get a couple bales of straw. And I plan on getting some lime while I was at it. I really need it, but it's a lot further, so we'll see. But anyway, gotta go get straw for sure. So just got the wagon hauled out of the mud, as you can see by the looks of the tractor. You can see how that went. Made a terrible mess. And got the wagon out, and we've got a very flat tire. Usually I joke around about it being only flat on the bottom, but this one's flat everywhere. So we're gonna see if this will take air. If not, I'll have to go grab the other wagon. Well, we're finally on the road. Put air in that tire, so hopefully it holds, but gonna go pick up 2 large square bales of straw, and now it's pouring rain, so not ideal, but oh well, have to get it done. So wanted to pick up a pallet load of lime too, but I don't really want to do that in the rain, so that'll have to wait till another day. Be a friendly one in every bunch. love to come say hi, don't you? Huh? You love to say hi. You just want to be on camera, huh? All right, well, I just finished up feeding the pigs for the night. You're all looking at me as I'm talking. Anyway, we just finished up feeding the pigs for tonight. Got them all bedded down with the straw. Brought the one bale of straw in, and I put the other one in the cow barn to store it for the night. All right, well, it's the end of the day now, and it's about 6 o'clock, and I just finished. Oh, it is muddy here. I just finished up feeding the pigs again, and I have one last thing to do is just check on the cow barn. And yeah, Allie is still due, and it looks like she is still due. So one more night, I guess, that I'll be going out. Last night, Heather went out and checked on the cows in the middle of the night, or just checked on Allie. Hey, don't drink my coffee. Leave my coffee alone. Ah, gross. You just got stuff on my coffee. Oh. That was disgusting and uncalled for. Oh, really? I guess a little cow drool will never kill anybody, but anyway. Penny here apparently likes coffee, don't you? I think I was saying that I'll have to get up again tonight and check. Last night, Heather actually went out and checked on the cows, so or checked on Allie. So we get up in the middle of the night just to double check and make sure she's not having any issues. Boy, this is hard to chain up one-handed. All right. Anyway, we'll take a look at her real quick before I head to the house. And then we're done. Oh, sorry there, guy. What's with you and your tongue sticking out? You look so foolish like that. Well, here's Allie, and still no calf, but she is definitely getting much closer, so. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of what we're doing here on the farm, and we will see you next time.